1,000 subscribers on YouTube can feel difficult, but it is very possible if you do the right things consistently. In this video, I will share simple and effective tips that can help you grow your channel and reach 1,000 subscribers faster, even if you are just starting. Tip 1. Choose one. Clear niche. Focus on one main topic for your channel. Avoid mixing different types of content. When people understand exactly what your channel is about, they are more likely to subscribe. Tip 2. Create content. People are searching for make videos based on what people are already searching on YouTube. Use YouTube search suggestions and trending topics in your niche. This increases your chances of getting views. Tip 3. Upload consistently. You don't need to upload every day, but you must be consistent. Choose a schedule like 3 videos per week or 1 video every 2 days and stick to it. Tip 4. Use attractive thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are very important. Use clear images, big readable text, and create curiosity. A good thumbnail can double your views. Tip 5. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Start your video strong. Tell viewers what they will gain if they keep watching. The first few seconds decide whether they stay or leave. Tip 6. Ask viewers to subscribe. Always remind viewers to subscribe and explain why. For example, tell them they will get more helpful content if they subscribe. Tip 7. Use YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts can help small channels grow fast. Post short videos related to your main content to reach more people. Tip 8. Promote your videos outside YouTube. Share your videos on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. Share with people who are interested, not spam. Tip 9. Learn from your analytics. Check which videos perform well and make more content like them. Analytics help you improve faster. Final advice. Be patient and stay consistent. If you keep improving and never give up, reaching 1,000 subscribers is only a matter of time.